Um, and then this last one just talks about, you know, our supply chain in terms of, you know, versus their supply chain, you know, and the bottom two things, the long life cycles versus the prematurely short life cycles, right? You know, we enable you to really, you know, sweat the gear and get as much value out of it that you can get out of it. Um, you know, and let's keep in mind that we're talking about popular infrastructure gear, right? Again, the TPM doesn't apply to everything in which has a high OEM maintenance price tag on. It doesn't apply to software. It doesn't apply to, you know, Liebert electrical conditioning units that need qualified electricians to service them, and that's something that you know, want to be messing around with. So understand that, right? That, you know, when we're talking popular, we're talking Dell PowerEdge, we're talking HP ProLiant, we're talking EMC, Unity, VNX, even we've Clarions, they're still out there and people, we have them under support. You know, the popular infrastructure products. That's where we really help people extend the life cycle on them.